Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the video in which I'm going to write a program to print the product of two numbers. So let's start. First I will write hash include stdio.h. Then I will open the main function, and in this I will first make a comment where I'm going to write the quotient to print product of two numbers. Then I will make two variables, n1 and n2. Then I will write print if enter the value in n1, and then at that I will write this backslash n, and I will then write scanf mod plus g, then and enter. So yeah, the code is written for taking input value of n1. I will write same code for n2, and I will just change the n1 from n2. And then I will make a variable product which I'm going to multiply n1 with n2. And then I will write print the product of two numbers is equals g. So the code is done now or written. So let's run the code. Is error from version. Now let's run the terminal again. Yes, I am giving two variables 2 and 3. So the product of two numbers is 6. Thank you.